Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So dear fans, today in this video I want to talk about Pappy with Q project. This is the hottest meme coin of the 2024. So I will explain that how can you buy this amazing coin, hold it and later you can sell and make a lot of profit. So don't skip any part of this video. Before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel, Jari Promo, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed a link in my video description. You simply click on it and come here. You can join this amazing platform. So ascending to the moon as the foremost leaders of useless memes. Official meme coin 2024 with the people. Pappy with Q for the people as well. So the saturations of Inos and WIF has been overly emphasized by fake news media. It's now the moment for the most reviewed meme globally to assume the mentally as the leader of all memes. So Pappy with Q emerged to restore the grandeur of meme coins that do not absolutely nothing. So dear fans, forget the rest hodl the best. Now ticker symbol is Pappy with Q based on Solana. You can buy it right now. You can here hold and make a lot of profit as well. So sales launched with no pre-sale, tax-free, boosting our bundle liquidity pool and renounced contract. Pappy with Q stand as a coin crafted for the people in the perpetuity driven by crypto community force. Let power with Q eliminate the path to nonsense as well. So dear friends, first of all we can also check out its live price chart on Dex Screener as well. So I have placed link in my video description. You come here and can check out its current price here, as well as you can analyze the price chart here. A lot of people are already buying and selling this amazing coin, and you can also check out all information and participate and buy it right now and hold it and later sold, make a lot of profit as well. So here you can also learn more information about this project. So dear friends, you can also check out the symbol, ticker symbol of this project is Pappy with Q as well. And Pappy with Q coins maintain no affiliate with Mad Fury or his creations Pappy the Frog. So Pappy with Q coin is only a meme and hold no inherent value or expression or of financial profit. So it operates without a structured team or roadmap existing purely for entertainment purpose. So essentially it lacks practically utility and serves only for amusement as well. Here we can also learn about token mix and safety as well. So the ticker symbol is Pappy with Q. So it is based on the Solana network chain. The total supply is fixed like that 1 billion as well. So the update authority here, you can also check that 15% UA balance like that 150 million lock for future marketing and content creator donation. So there is no tax on buy and sell. LP tokens 100% burn. Ownership renounced maintainable, no mutable, no. So dear fans, here you can also check that still launch, no pre-sale, no airdrops, no giveaways, rug checks, risk analyze, score good as well. Here you can also check out its contract address and you can also check out the ticker detail as well. So this is based on Solana network token as well. Here you can also check out an interesting video and for amusement and learn more here. So the question is that how to buy Pappy with Q. So dear fans, here are the method you can easily follow these simple steps and easily buy. So I will tell you practically that how can you buy this one. So first of all, dear friends, you can simply click on Pappy with Q here, and you can also directly go to the Jupiter, and here you need to connect your wallet which you want, like that. So Flare, MetaMask, Google Pay, TipLink, Phantom, and many other more. So dear friends, you can choose any wallet in which you have some balance, and then you can come here and you can also easily swap Pappy with Q here. So if you want to be spend your Solana, so here you need to enter your amount, how much you want to be spent, like that. If you want to be spend one soul you can get around 11,252 Pappy WIFQ as well. So it is up to you how much you want to be spent here and how much token you can get easily. So I recommend it to all of you, so don't miss this golden chance. Must be swap here on Jupiter right now, hold it, and later you can sold and make a lot of profit as well. But before investing here, do your own research, because I am not your financial advice and not advising you to buy right it here. So dear friends, you can do your own research and buy this token as well. So here you can also check out other information related to this amazing project as well, and check out all detail here. So here you can also check out the merch, you can also check out digital store. So this is well maintained, and you can also check out a different product here, and you can easily buy from here as well. You can also check out and visit the amazing quality and very impressive work here. You can also check out, you can order for anyone with, you can also check out price in dollars as well, and you can also buy the product of Pappy Wave Q. So amazing, rare. You can also check out, so beautiful. Dear fans, now you can buy at anyone easily. You can order right now. Like, then first of all you need to select, then you will be able to check out all information here. Like that, the Pappy with women's favorite tea white. So here you can also check out the price with tax as well. You can increase or decrease the quantity here, and then you can check out your size which you want to be select. Then you can also select your color which you want to be select. This is only black. And then here you can also check the size, and here it is out of stock. So don't miss the other stock out. So right now come here and buy it right now, and use your Pappy with Q here as well. So I also recommend it to all of you, must be join its social media like that, Telegram, to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project, as well as I recommended you to must be follow them on their Instagram, and you will be able to check out all its post on Instagram as well. I also recommend it to all of you, so must be follow them on their social media like that Twitter account to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project as well. So it can really help you to make a lot of income, and must be buy it right now. I hope so you like this video, share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.